Wrike tutorial and review project management guide. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial and I'm going to review Wrike.com for you. How is this platform? Is this really worth it? If it's good for project management? So we're going to find out all of those things in this tutorial, so watch it till end and I'm just gonna continue and getting straight into it. So first of all, you have to open Wrike.com. For that you can just go on and type that Wrike.com onto your URL bar, or you can just go on to Google, search for Wrike and you're good to go. So the first site that comes onto Google, just open that and this is going to be the main page of Wrike.com. So Wrike is an amazing platform that you can use for project management, one platform to streamline all workflows. You can see that you're all in one platform to manage projects. You can organize your work, you can enhance your collaboration and accelerate execution across all the departments. So to start using Vibe, what you need to do is you have to enter your email, and you can see that Wrike is used. You can use custom workflows, you can build a new website, you can create interactive Gantt charts, you can pin important to-dos to dashboards, and with our collaborative proofing and approval tool, you can see there are a lot of things that you can do with Wrike, and it seems very promising. So first of all, you need to enter your business email right here, and then you need to try for free. So you can see that you need to answer all of those things. First of all, you have to add your full name, then you have to enter your phone number, your company name, and the country of residence, and you have to agree with all of these terms and services. Then you can continue by creation of your account. So I'm just going to fill in all of those fields and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so now after adding different kind of details, I'm on to the project creation right now. So I have to enter the name of my first project. So let's say it is a test project that I'm just creating. I'm going to click on next, and then I have an option to what needs to be done: first task, second task, and third task. Let's say first of all I have to do the research, then I have to do the product development, just for the sake of it, product development, and the third thing is that I want to do marketing. So these are all the three things that I need to do. First of all, I'm just going to add them as the tasks in my first project, that is test. After that, I'm just going to wait. Okay, so how do you want to see your work? You want to see it in a table, a Gantt, or a board? Let's say I want to see it in the table. Table is good, table works for me. Then I'm going to click on next, and now I have to add in the email of any team member that I want to add. I'm just going to click on next and skip this part. Okay, so they are preparing my workspace, is being prepared for me, so I'm just going to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here you can see that you have Wrike, and this is the main dashboard of Wrike. So first of all, on the sidebar you have your first space, you have your task dashboard, you have your test, and you can also add other projects if you just want to. And if you want to invite more members, you just have to click on this option and you will be able to invite more members. For getting started, you can see the video right here to see how Wrike works and everything, so I'm just going to skip that. And here, this is my main dashboard. Okay, so the first task that I've just created in my test project is research, and that is assigned to me, and the status is review, due date is this, impact is low, and budget is this. This was just they have added before. I can just change that and edit that everything. The second is sub item, another sub item. So if I want to add any kind of sub item in my research task, so I can add that right here. Then I have the other task, which is product development. It is also new and everything is already written, which I can change. And then the third task is marketing. So if I want to add a new task, I can just click on this option right here and I can add new task onto my project management dashboard. Oh, okay, so after everything, you have some of the options here as well. If you want to change the view of your project, you can just click on this board and you can change that to anything that you want. Like I had a table view, so I can change it to board view, and I also have an option to change it to Gantt chart, and there's some other options as well, calendar and analytics as well. So you can just go on and change it to that. So right now I'm on board view. So in board view, you have your tasks assigned according to their status. Like first of all, I have some new tasks, then there's a planned task, there's in progress, and there's a one task in the review. So these are all of these are aligned like this. So you can just go on, like for example, this is the review task. In the review, I have the first task, which is research. If I think that it is in progress, I can just go on, drag it and drop it in the progress, and it is going to be found in the progress like this. So you can just go on and do that with all the tasks. If you want to change it to Gantt, you can just click on this option and you can change it to Gantt, and everything is right here. So if you want to add a new board, you can just click on this option right here and you can create a new status column. And if you want to change something, if you want to add a sub item, you just have to click on this task and this option, this plus sign right here. And if you want to add another task, you just have to click on this project, this option right here. If you want to delete it, you just have to click on here. You can see open new tab, you can copy the link, you can delete it, you can change the status, you can change the importance. Like importance is basically going to tell you how early the task is needed. You can have that at high importance, low, or normal or low, and depending on the the importance, the tasks which have high importance will be given more priority over the tasks which have low importance. So this is all about that. So after that, you can you have some automations right here. So automations are going to automate some of the workflows in your project management platform. So I'm just going to click on automations. I'm going to show you which are the ones that are available as templates and what are the ones that you can add as new automations for yourself. Okay, so first of all, you have your automations, you have your rules, and you make your life easier with automations. You have your general automations. I'm just going to create go on that, and you have your first space, you have your team, users, and everything. You have terminologies, name of the project and task of the project, and you can just click on space to create a new space. Then you have your workflow. You can see all of your workflows right here. You have your status workflow, active, completed, add a status if you want to. Then you have your automations. For that, you need to create a rule. I'm just going to create a rule right here. So to add a rule, you have to first of all apply a trigger. Then you have to add a condition and add an action. It is going to be applied to a project or a task. Let's say it's applied to a task. I'm going to set a trigger. This trigger is all direct sub item status changes to. Okay, status changes to. And the condition is like, let's say in progress or review, or you can say completed, and add another action. It is going to be reviewed. So when the status of your task changes to review or completed, I am going to say that you should do change item status to, or move item to, or add comment, or assign them to someone, a person. I am going to assign them to select a user. That can be search people, that can be me. Okay, so whenever a status of status of a task changes to review or completed, it is going to be assigned to me. And you can also add another action if you want. I'm just going to click on create, and the automation has been created. So this is a rule that whenever a task status changes to completed or to review, it is going to be assigned to me, so that I can see if it's been done effectively, or I can if it's in review, I can review it myself. So this is how you can add different kind of automations. They're going to basically make your workflow very easy. You don't have to go in separately and check all of these things one by one and keep an eye on everything all the time. You can basically, all the things that can be automated are going to be automated for your own ease. So as you guys have seen, Wrike is a really great platform that you can use for your project management, because project management comes in very handy when you are handling a lot of things at one time, and for one person it becomes such a problematic hassle that you cannot keep an eye on everything. So when you are into if you are running a team, if you are running a project, or if you are business manager, some kind of post, if you're in an organization, if you're just a person who wants to keep ahead of all of these things and who wants to keep a charge of their daily activity, then I guess the Wrike is a really great platform for you that you can use, because it has all of the features that are built in, not only for the professional use but also for personal use as well. So you can just go on and continue with Wrike, and as I've shown you in this video, and you can continue with the greater good. So this was it for today's video, guys. I was very thorough, and I showed you all of the aspects that I could of this platform that I'm using, Wrike.com. So if I missed something, you can just ask it in the comment section below. And this was like kind of it for today's video. I hope I tried to be a big help. So it will be very nice of you if you give this video a big thumbs up, and also you should subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, I'll see you guys, and take care.